Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we will cover how to convert files using VLC Media Player. First go to Media and click on Convert. Now click on Add and select a video from your device. Then click on Convert. Now if you click on the Edit option, first you can select the format that you want. And as you can see, for every format, there are features that are available and others that are not. In video codec, you can select a video codec, bitrate, quality, frame rate. In resolution, you can select a specific video resolution. You can also enable some filters. In audio codec, just like video codec, you can select a specific codec and also select a custom bitrate, channels and sample rate. And in subtitle, you can add subtitle. Finally, click on Create. In destination, you can select a specific location for your converted video. And finally, click on Start. And as you can see, the video was successfully converted with VLC Media Player. If this was not enough for you, you can check my video about the best free video converters for Windows. The link will be in the description below. You can also watch my video about how to take snapshots with VLC Media Player. And if you did find this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.